Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Raspa me boots, broad single men. Me rise with the breeze, silence in a me dome. Mountains whispering like ancestors call me home. Coconut oil palm me skin, me heart at ease. Me chanting a nature, me soul find peace. Birds a sing them sacred tune. Rasta bow to just sun and moon. No concrete, just earth beneath me feet. Ital food, sweet fruit me eat. This life a gift, me live it wise. Me eyes no blinded by Babylon lies. Me nah need no glitter, no gold. Me spirit rich, me heart stable. Roots and whispers guide I soul. Herb and drum make I whole. Me chant in silence, moving light. Jaja love me sacred right. Roots and whispers day and night. Me burn me fire, keep it bright. No system touch me meditation. Rasta walk with elevation. Me sip me tea from bush me grow. Me nah rush, I move slow. Riddim from the hills play na I brain. Every beat I wash like gentle rain. Me reason deep with me brethren. Both stars, both herbs, both where we've been. Each moment sacred, no time for waste. Me walk through Zion in perfect grace. Lion heart, serpent wise. Me see through many disguise. But me not preach it. Me preach one love like a dove. Rise from flames above. Roots and whispers make me fly. Me soul not chain, me spirit high. Me chant to Jah, me voice go far. Beyond the system, beyond the war. Roots and whispers pure and strong. Rasta live long, live strong. Me move like wind, me flow like stream. Me wake the people from Babylon dream. Beat the drum, light the flame. Call the ancestors, call them names. Selassie a guide I through this road. Me carry love, me carry code. No violence in a me meditation. Just balance art, vibration. Me plant herb, me plant hope. Me build ladder, me cut rope. Sometimes me cry for the world's pain. So me chant more to break the chain. Me not escape, me elevate. Me create space for ones to wake. This liberty humble yet mighty. The breeze know I name, the sky write me. Each leaf a scripture, each breeze a psalm. Me live in a silence but me heart stay warm. Me smoke one spliff, me close me eye. Me feel Jah presence in the sky. No preacher, no book, just connection. This reggae life is resurrection. Roots and whispers hold I tight. Me soul walk free in a Jah light. Me rise with sun, me sleep with moon. Me dance for love, me chant me tune. Roots and whispers whisper again. Teach the youth, guide the men. Me leave me words in a the breeze.
Ayayay Rastaman smoke high and grilled chicken, yeah man. Oh, 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 oh. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whispers from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dancing a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright. Burning lies, revealing light. Mystic fire blaze up in me. Show I the way. steps like Noah's Ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari, thunderclap and the eagle fly. Me hold a chalice, reason with star. No seja, never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain, me na run, me ride. Me wear me crown of fruits and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire blaze up inna me, show I the way, set a spirit free. Inna the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Oh yeah, yeah. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Yeah, when the world fall quiet, when the all them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul not sell, me path divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already team. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me hands and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire blaze up inna me, show I the way, set a spirit free. Inna the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Mystic fire blaze up inna me, show I the way, set a spirit free. Inna the dark I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastaman is so high inna the jungle, yeah man. Me see her walk on Jah earth so fine. Barefoot queen like the stars she shine. She carry the wisdom of roots and vine. Her eyes reflect that love divine. Under the moonlight she roll the leaf. In a silence we find relief. No need for rush, we take it slow. Through urban chant our spirits grow. Rasta love whispers through the trees, like sacred wind upon the breeze. No need for words, me heart she know. Together we move where the rivers flow. See me queen, me natural vibe. No makeup, no lies, just pure tribe. We chant and laugh beneath Jah skies. Rasta love never fade, it never dies. Me tell her stories of stars and sand. She paint me future with her gentle hand. We light the chalice, give thanks and pray. Each sunrise bring a brighter day. She plant her food with care and song. She teach the youth what's right from wrong. Her voice like bird song in the trees. She bring me soul eternal peace. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Her love more precious, never old. She hold me down like sacred ground. With every touch me joy is found. Light it up me empress true. Me sky turn blue when me sight of you. Rasta love no drama scene. Jah make me queen from roots so clean. Hold me hand, we blaze the way. With one heart we nah go stray. Oh, Rasta love
whispers in the night, like moonlight draped in soft delight. We not fight, we not pretend, we just flow like rivers bend. In a hammock or beneath the stars, we heal each other's deepest scars. No stress, no fear, no mask to wear, just Rastafari love forever there. Me Empress crown, she wear it tall. She chant for peace, she pray for all. She guide me soul, she spark me fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. Through every storm, she not let go. She keep it steady, she make it flow. From Blue Mountain to Westmoreland, together we walk, hand in hand. We reason deep, we laugh out loud. We dance beneath each thundercloud. Our temple built on sacred ground, where only truthful hearts are found. So if you find a queen so true, hold her close, give thanks for who. Love that born from roots so deep is the love you always keep.
Gamba cushion at the chalice, yeah man. Yeah. Sunrise a peek through me window pane. Me stretch and yawn, feel no pain. Me kettle boil, me chalice load. I eat all breakfast pon the stove. Birds a sing, rhythm start fi play. Me give thanks fi Jah this beautiful day. Me step outside with me spliff in hand. The whole earth feel like promised land. Ganja morning, skank, skank all day. Bless up me soul in a natural way. Me spirit high like a mountain top. Reggae on repeat, it nah go stop. We smoke, we laugh, we chant, we live. Me heart full up, God love forgive. No system stress can hold me down. Me wear me crown, Rasta in the town. The youth them gather for the corner side. One rhythm, one fire, one vibe inside. Me light the flame with conscious thought. Every pull of the herb bring what Babylon a taught. Me brethren play the Naya bingy drum. Sistren sing while the spirit come. We reason deep about life and fate. No hate round here, just clean slate. Me look pon the hills, feel Jah call. This life me live, me nah go fall. From the first spliff to me final breath, me walk with love, me nah fear death. Bless up the farmer, we grow it right. No chemicals, just pure sunlight. Me blaze it for healing, for truth, for joy. Ganja me weapon, me tool, me toy. Babylon say illegal, but me say free. This plan connect I to divinity. So skank with me, left worries behind. A Rastaman's joy, me easy to find. Ganja morning skank, wake up strong. The heartbeat beat to Jaja song. Me spirit rise like the burning flame. Me no need riches, me no need fame. We skank, we burn, we elevate. Me cleanse me mind, me meditate. Each puff a prayer, each step a dance. Rasta life, now leave to chance. Now me day comes on a blaze full heat. Me shirt off, barefoot feel concrete. Children laugh, them run and play. I tell juice cool down me way. Me sit with me elders, wisdom time. Them tell me truth in rhythm and rhyme. No rush, you just know your lane. Ganja guide through joy and pain. Me take that in, give thanks again. Me life simple, me not chase fame. Me chase peace, me chase one tone. Rasta man stand firm like stone. Ganja morning, skank from dawn till night. Me soul shine bright in a holy light. Me walk me path with heart so free. Skank into the sound of liberty. We burn it slow, we sing it loud. We lift the vibe above the cloud. No worry here, just good vibration. Reggae love is me true salvation.
Ayayay. As she smoke with my bread, jazz, yeah, man. Early morning, me roll up the leaf. Steam rise, me soul find relief. Irie vibration a guide me day. Me step with Jah, me heart not stray. No clock rule, I meditation. Me float pon a higher station. Reggae beat inna me chest, me not stress, me just rest. Me sip on roots tonic deep in a trance. Watch the coconut tree them dance. Me ride through sound like river flow. Let the wind and rhythm blow. On an Irie journey me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love inna me pocket, truth inna me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me reason with elders, them wisdom tall. Them teach me how to rise when me fall. No need for vanity or the fame. Just like the flame and call Jah name. Me walk through village, me smiley wide. Me share me fruits, me share me vibe. Me plant some ganja near the stream. Watch it grow in a Irie dream. Me nah bother with the worldly speed. Me just breathe and plant the seed. Rasta live it in natural code. Me write me story on the road. On an Irie journey me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love inna me pocket, truth inna me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. Me see vision when me close me eye. Colors dance across the sky. Rhythm like river flowing inside. Me nah hide, me let Jah guide. Sound system echo truth so loud. Lift me head, rise above the crowd. Me nah judge, me overstand. This Irie life me build with hand. Me light up one, give thanks for life. Me bless each moment, no space for strife. Me chant for the children, the youth, the peace. For the pain in the world to finally cease. Me carry drum beat like it's gospel. Me play it real, never hostile. Me step clean, me mind sharp. Me spirit dance in a Zion Park. Me now wait pon Babylon sign. Me follow Jah sun when it shine. And when me fall, me rise again. Me walk through fire, me feel no pain. On an Irie journey, me fly so free. Smoking a cloud breeze from the sea. Love inna me pocket, truth inna me song. Me skanking all day, Jah keep I strong. One spliff, one breath, one song. Me carry Jah light all day long. Me rise, me heal, me live, me learn. To roots and fire, me always return.
Ayayay Jamaica, ash inna the paper. Yeah man, inna the silence me hear Jah voice. Whisper freedom, whisper choice. The roots grow deep, the wings spread wide. We journey long, but Jah a guide. Me sit on the hillside, watch sunrise. Golden rays open me eyes. Me feel earth beat under my feet. Truth and love in the heart repeat. The system mash up minds with fear. But in my soul me keep it clear. Them can't touch what Jah create. Spirit strong now carry weight. We live in times of shadow play. But me say light always find way. Babylon crumble in due season. Truth arise, Jah give the reason. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest night. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry we through and through. Me say love at the real weapon, cut deeper than any gun. Me chant Riddim fi heal the pain, wash we soul like summer rain. Every heartbeat a revolution, every breath a contribution. We not silent, we not small, each voice a part of jackal. Them say we weak, them say we lost, but me spirit pay no cost. We born fi live, born fi shine. We root and branch of the divine. Close your eyes, feel the breeze. Wisdom float like ancient seas. The earth a teach, the sky a sing. Freedom fly on eagle wing. Now let illusion pull you down. Lift your heart above the ground. Jah kingdom na made of gold. It's love and truth we hold. Your roots of freedom, wings of light. Lift we high through darkest nights. Nah bow, nah bend, we stay true. Jah carry we through and through. Me granny say, hold the line. Every struggle got your sign. Me say yes, me take that path. Even when storm bring wrath, unity the power we need. One heart, one love, one seed. Me chant for the people, chant for the land. All are we part of Jahan. So when you feel lost in confusion, remember Zion not illusion. Roots deep, wings wide. In Jah we forever abide. Zion not go. Go, go, go. Zion not go. We wake up before the city scream, before Babylon starts sell me dream. Concrete fields and metal vine, still Jah light are the first sign. Skyscraper shadow cover me head, but me spirit rise like sunrise red. Them lock we in system cage, but me chant break chain. Me burn them page, then build the tower, sell the lie. Say freedom real, but only the sky. Them program me mind with flashy light, but me vision sharp in Jaja sight. Me now walk like sheep in a them lane. Me heart beat drum, me chant free gain. From dust to flame, from root to sky. Me see the truth, me live, me fly. Lion's breath in a iron jungle. Roll for truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble. Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath, me soul erupt. Babylon fall like volcano corrupt. Me chant higher, me chant wise. Me fire rise, till freedom rise. Them promise peace with plastic smile, but me see the poison in them file. Them raise machines and silence tree. Me chant for the roots, me chant for we. Me rather barefoot in the rain than sit in gold and wear them chain. Me rather poor with wisdom bright than blind in riches lose Jah light. Me talk to me youth them every day, tell them look deep, find your way. The system train fi make them stray, but me voice a torch, me show them way. Me nah get caught in a shiny scheme. Me soul nah selfie, digital dream. Them want control, them want me tame, but me call me name. Me light me flame. Lion's breath in a iron jungle. Roll for truth, never silent, never humble. Me nah bow, me nah stumble. Jah guide me step through the thunder rumble. Lion's breath
Me see the cameras, see the drones, see the abstract me like stones. But me chanting code, me chanting sign. Me spirit rebel in Jah design. Me lighting sense.
Ayayay, Kingston Kush inna me pocket. Yeah man. Under the moonlight glow, me hear Jah whisper. Child, your heart stronger than iron blister. Now let them break your mind, stand tall. Your roots deep, your spirit never fall. Me rise with the sun pa my face. Sitting nice, fade me find Jah grace. Them build wall fi divide and rule, but me heart now fit Babylon school. Me eyes open wide like the eagle flight. Me see the tricks them hide in plain sight. Talk of freedom, but a mental cage, controlled pan every book and page. But me spirit dance in a rain, wash away the chains of pain. The river of truth flow through me vein, heal me soul again and again. Oh, river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Red them push poison out we food and air, but Mama Earth still make we care. Herb in a hand, chant pan lip. Roots man can't lose the grip. Me hear the call from ancient drum. The ancestors say freedom come. Each beat a step toward liberation. We build up we own foundation. System mash up mind with fear, but we not deaf, we still here. Nature teach the higher way. We not stray, we not sway. Stand pon the rock, feel the power. We the roots, we the flower. Every star in the sky remind Jah design not be confined. Brethren, sistren, hold your place. Babylon a fall in disgrace. We vision clear like river stream. We build Zion from we dream. Port river of truth, guide me way. Mountain of strength, make me stay. Babylon crumble when we unite. Jah light shine pure and bright. Them say we small but we infinite. Every rebel heart a dynamite. Me carry the fire in me chest. Now rest till we manifest. Jah plan bigger than politics. Love stronger than them dirty tricks. Me say heal your mind, heal your soul. The revolution fully whole. Nah need no crown pon me head. Me royalty can't be misled. Inna the storm, me stand secure. Jah blessing always pure. River of truth flow on and on. Mountain of strength make we strong. From Zion hill to city street. The rebel heart now face defeat. Right, rise up now, hold the flame. Babylon can't win this game. We roots deep, we future bright. In a Jah love, we find the light. Wait.
Ayayay, Rastaman is so high. Yeah man Zion. Roots, let's go. The chains them forward so tight, but Jah light mash them in a night. Every link break one by one. Freedom shine like the rising sun. Them think them like we in the system, but Jah already right with wisdom. Them wave false flag on eye, but me I see through the lie. Concrete city cold and grey, but roots rebel every day. Them said rules fi keep we down, but Zion spirit wear the crown. Me hear the cries from long before. Ancestors knock on the door. Them blood still not decile. Fuel the fire when we tile. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth truth in Naja eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Them distract with the glitter bright, but we focus on righteous fight. Politicians smile, but me see snake. Me not buy the lie, nah take the bait. From Africa to every shore, we chant for justice more and more. Them take we history, twist the tail, but we roots too deep fi fail. Me chant for the youth in the streets, for the mothers who feel defeat. Lift up your head, remember truth. We future bright, powered by youth. Riddim a guide me through the fire, lift me up from Makamaya. Babylon tower soon a fall, Jah kingdom rise over all. We nah go silent, nah retreat. Each heartbeat sound like drum beat. Chains crumble under fate. We dance for Zion, celebrate. Chains break, spirits rise. See the truth in Jah eyes. Them can't hold we soul hostage. We free long before them bondage. Me say one love, one mission. No compromise, no submission. We take back what them thief. We build hope from every grief. The warriors come in many forms. Some quiet, some like storm, but each one hold the key. Fi break down the slavery. Me say keep your mind sharp like blade. Babylon trick fi invade, but truth shine brighter than gold. A story of freedom forever told. Chains gone, we spirit fly. Lift up your voice to the sky. Zion call we by name. Forever free, forever flame. Me people rise, not turn back. We journey strong, we stay on track. Chains break, but we still strong. In a Jah light, we belong.
Ayayay, break the false Babylon. Free them, free for the people. Them be lie walls, but Jah be liar. Them light false flames, but Jah is the fire. Me voice echo through city and all. Babylon walls, them off fall. Me walk through streets of iron and smoke. Me carry Jah light, me never broke. System heavy on every side, but me stand firm, me nah hide. Them send message fi keep we down. Push the youth fi wear the crown of slavery in a modern dress. But me chant truth, me nah stress. Camera watching every move, but me step with righteous groove. Them can record, them can spy, but Jah watch them from the sky. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Them sell the poison in a pretty box. The mind control, lock the flocks. But me say wake up, open your eyes. See the trap, see the disguise. Me not take no job for peace. Me trust Jah, me find release. Them push fear like it's a cure, but truth stand firm, ever pure. Every street corner, me hear a cry. Voices rising to the sky. We tired of lie, we tired of pain. Time fi wash them out like rain. Them cyborg dreams nah fit we soul. We nah born fi take control. Organic art, organic mind. We live free, nah get signed. Look pan nature, look pan tree. Them show the path
Jah truth, can't deny. Babylon walls must fall. Hear the rebel call, hear the rebel call. We rise up tall, we break the chain. Freedom song in a pouring rain. Me chant for the elder, chant for youth. Me chant for the world, fi know the truth. Me nah stop till justice reign, till the wicked wash down the drain. No matter how long the road, me carry Jah heavy load. Through valley low, mountain steep, Jah keep me safe, Jah keep me deep. So light your torch and stand beside. This revolution can't hide. Babylon walls may look strong, but truth and love last longer long. Babylon walls must fall. Yes, me said them have to fall.
Zion roots. Zion roots. Me walk the path of Jah's guidance. Me feel the peace, me feel the reliance. Through the struggles, me keep me stride. Me know Jah's love will never hide. Me trust in the future, me trust in the plan. Me know me purpose, me know the stand. Jah lead me steps, me walk with grace. Me know me place in this blessed space. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me know the road me walk is long, but with Jah's guidance, me grow strong. Through the storms and through the rain, me trust Jah's power, me feel no pain. Me trust in journey, me trust in the way. Me know Jah's love will guide me every day. Me see the beauty, me see the rise. Me feel the truth, me open me eyes. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me feel the power in a every step. Me trust the journey, me no need fi fret. Me walk with Jah, me trust the way. Me know the love will carry me each day. Me walk in Jah's light, me see the way. Me trust the future, me trust the play. Jah's guidance, me follow the signs. Me feel the blessings, me walk in lines. Jah's guidance, me walk in a truth. Me trust the road, me trust the youth. Jah's guidance, me walk with pride. Me feel the light a shine inside. Jah's guidance, me heart a whole. Me walk with Jah, me trust me soul. Me walk with Jah, me feel the way. Me trust Jah's love, me rise each day.
Yeah, man, give me this spliff. The rhythm a rebel, the bass a roar. We knock on Babylon door. No silence can mute this cry. Freedom chant till the day we die. Me rise up with the morning sun. Mission start can be done. Them set trap in every lane, but Jah guide we through the pain. Me feel the heartbeat of the street. Each step mash down the seat. Them sell we plastic up in store, but we seek Jah love and more. We not bow to the false kings. We not dance to puppet strings. True deeper than any scheme. We hold fast to the Zion dream. For Riddim of Resistance shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound.
Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Riddim of resistance, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Babylon tighten them control, but me people got soul. We read between the lines, we see the traps and signs. We not just victims of the state, we architects of Jah fate. Them push poison in the air, but me people still a care. Roots deep in the dirt, from every struggle birth new worth. We not go silent, we not stop. We chant down every crooked cop. Them build walls, but we build bridges, from valley low to mountain ridges. The rhythm beat like warrior drum, call the masses a freedom come. This music, it can't be chained, it flow like blood in every vein. Resistance live in every chord, a battle cry, feed the Lord. With Riddim of Resistance, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. Feed the people, feed the fight. Rhythm blaze through the night. Me say power to the roots crew. Jah light guide what we do. System collapse when truth unfold. Rebel heart strong and bold. We rewrite history with song. Show the youth where them belong. Freedom ink on every page. This rhythm a fuel the rage. From the shackles to the stage, my people rise out a cage. Nah surrender, nah retreat. We drum the message in the street. So keep it blazing, keep it raw. Riddim of resistance evermore. Even when the night get cold, the fire in a we never hold. Zion call, we answer clear. Rhythm rise, them can't interfere. Unity in every beat. Rebel music, now accept defeat.
Zion roots. Them try to cool the fire, but it still a burn. Them try to lock the light, but just sun return. Babylon system full of tricks and lies, but the righteous rise. We open we eyes. Them send them soldier, them pass them law. Them preach corruption, them hide the flaw. But truth can't hide and love can't dead. The people strong, we move ahead. Me see the youth, them stand up tall. Them tired of the struggle, tired of the fall. Them want to live, them want to free. Them chant to Jah, eternity. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the day. The system weak, them can't hold we back. We step in light, we walk the track. Jah fire keep blazing, shine it bright. Through the darkness, through the fight. The lion roar, the drum them sound. We not back down, we stand for ground. Them pies in the food, them pies in the mind. Them try to keep we lost and blind. But knowledge rise, the people see. We take the path, we must be free. The ghetto cry, the street them cold. The leaders sell out them heart, them soul. But the warrior strong, the heart still pure. We hold the faith, we endure. We hear the drum, we hear the call. We see the writing upon the wall. Jah kingdom come, it soon reveal. The prophecy real, it can't conceal. Jah fire keep blazing, never fade away. Burn down the wicked, cleanse the day. The system weak, them can't hold we back. We step in light, we walk the track. Jah fire keep blazing, shine it bright. Through the darkness, through the fight. The lion roar, the drum them sound. We not back down, we stand for ground. The wicked run when them hear the sound. The thunder roll, the rain come down. The trumpet blow, the battle near. We chant the psalms, we have no fear. We lift with voice, we praise the King. We chant the song, the victory bring. The journey long, but we stay strong. The fire blaze, it can't be wrong. We come to teach, we come to show. The seed them plant, the love must grow. No more hatred, no more fight. Just righteousness, just Jah light. Them plan destruction, them deal in greed. Them plan corruption, them watch it breed.
Selassie, I the Almighty Jah. Her body key, we unlock the heart. Me say one Jah, two Jah, the vibes can't done. Real Rastafire, brighter than the sun. With me, gorilla glue me, I stick to Jah way. The herb body part, me nah go astray. The plant where Jah give, it a bless the land. So me hold a meditation, Jah listen a me and roll up the mango push. Me feel so sweet. Herb body power we make life complete. From the green ganja fields to the city lights. The herb bring peace, make the future bright. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide. The healing of the world make me feel alive. One puff, two puff, me spirit is sore. Babylon can't stop the herb, me say nevermore. Them call it illegal, but Jah call it pure. Ganja for the healing, the people's cure. Me light up the Jah carry me mind a elevate. Me sing Selassie, I the vibes can't let. The Babylon system a crumble it weak, but Rastaman strong with the herb we speak. Me say Jah know the plan for uplift mankind. With the ganja in a me palm, the truth me find. Fire burn Babylon, herbs still a grow. The green gold a shine, it a make Jah love show. From the mountain peaks to the valley low. The herb a for everyone, the vibes them glow. This your herb which Jah provide, it deeper than the sea, higher than the sky. Love it, respect it, blaze it with pride. Green gold, the treasure where Jah provide. The healing of the world make me feel alive. One puff, two puff, me spirit is sore. Babylon can't stop the herb, me say nevermore. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. Herb are the remedy fi chase all fear. The green gold shine brighter than before. Rastaman bless me say evermore.
The chain them heavy, the pain them real. Babylon system a spin the wheel. Them take the land, them take the sea. Them lock we down, but we spirit free. Me see the struggle in the ghetto youth eyes. Them fed up of the wicked and the government lies. Mama a cry, Papa a fight, but me know say just soon bring the light. Them promise we change, but them still deceive. The people a suffer, the people a grieve. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. The time for freedom a drawing near. Freedom can't wait, we need it now. We rise up strong, we take the vow. Babylon tremble, Babylon shake. Jah people rise, the chain them break. Freedom can't wait, the time can't done. We march till justice touch the sun. The trumpet sound, the fire blaze. We chant for Zion all we days. The rich get richer, the poor get poor.
war. Them close the gate, them lock the door. Them build them tower, them build them fence. But the revolution I need no expense. Me tell the ghetto youth them fi hold them ground. Jah give we the strength, we can't back down. No more waiting, no more fear. We mash up the system, we make it clear. The drum them beat, the people move. We chant the words, we set the groove. The lion roar, the thunder crash. We burn the wicked, we burn the cash. Freedom can't wait, we need it now. We rise up strong, we take the vow. Babylon tremble, Babylon shake. Jah people rise, the chain them break. Freedom can't wait, the time can't done. We march till justice touch the sun. The trumpet sound, the fire blaze. We chant for Zion all we days. We not beg for mercy, we not ask for chance. We take the fight, we take the stance. The people suffer, the people cry. We rise up strong, we reach the sky. The battlefield hot, but Jah guide me way. We chant in the night, we chant in the day. We not turn back, we not slow down. We tear the walls, we burn the crown. Them a try for silence, them a try for hide. But Jah truth is strong, it can divide. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The righteous rise.
Yo, check it, some boy are running on the yard. Real vibes up one in our scene. Yeah, Rastafari bless. Light up the fire. Pass the chalice, make a burn it down. Me roll up a spliff with the high-grade ganja. Bubble cushion on me palm, that a real charmer. From the hills of Westmoreland to the streets of Kingston, them a grow the good herb for the meditation strong. Puff, pass, make the vibes them last. Me nah touch no crack, nah deal with no trash. The lamb's bread sweet, it a mash up me head. One draw from the chalice, me spirit get fed. Smoke the herb and feel irie. Cali cushion purple as a flyway. Spliffing on me and Jah guide me. One love, we there for the Almighty. Then can't stop the Rastaman, smoke the Cali weed. The skunk on me tongue are the healing indeed. OG Kush make me eyes them bleed. But me still a chant psalms, the soul a lead. Me pre-Babylon them not understand. Ganja feed the people a just command. Blue dream and the cheese, me love the sensation. Make me heart beat fast with the elevation. Selassie I vibes, it a rising on me soul. The ganja plant make me feel old. Roll it up, light it up, blaze it on the hill. Jazz herb, me treasure, me spirit it feel. Yo star, on a joke thing this. Ganja the healing of the nation, you hear me? We can't fight the herb. It's our culture, it's our future. Smoke the herb and feel irie. Cali cushion purple as a flyway. Spliffing on me and Jah guide me. One love, we there for the Almighty. The girl pan the corner, she a roll 1, 2. She said the white widow make her love feel true. Them call me Mr. Green, me a ganja king. With me cup of sense of me and me start to sing. Them a fight the herb, but them can't lock it off. Government a run, but them system a fraud. Jah give we the herb, fi heal the land. So me puff up the cloud with me Rasta band. Blaze it up, I make the smoke touch the sky. Real Rasta man can't ever deny. The herb, the plant, it's a blessing fi we. So we chant down Babylon and live free.
Just love, me feel the power. Me trust in Jah each minute, each hour. Me heart full of joy, me soul full of peace. Me know just love will never cease. Me walk through the trials, me walk through the test. Me trust in Jah, me know me blessed. Just love a shine, me feel the light. Me walk through the darkness, me feel the might. Just love a guide me, me trust the way. It leads me through the night, it guides me each day. Me know just love, I never fail. In every storm, me will prevail. Just love, me feel the rise. Me trust in Jah, me see the skies. Just love, me heart a whole. Me walk in just like me trust me soul. Just love, me feel the fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Just love, me know the truth. Me know the power, me know the proof. Me trust in just love, me know the truth. Me feel the power, me feel the youth. Just love a guide me through the way. Me trust in Jah, me rise each day. Me walk with Jah, me walk in peace. Me know just love will never cease. Me trust in the love, me trust in the light. Just love a guide me through the fight. Me feel Jah's presence, me know it's near. Me walk with Jah, me feel no fear. Just love, me feel the rise. Me trust in Jah, me see the skies. Just love, me heart a whole. Me walk in just like me trust me soul. Just love, me feel the fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Just love, me know the truth. Me know the power, me know the proof. Just love, me heart a glow. Me trust in Jah, me ready fi flow. Just love, me feel the grace. Me trust in Jah, me know me place.
Carry prayer up to Jalan. The hillside calm, but my soul a ignite. The herb bring the vibes, make me spirit feel light. Me say every drum me take, me feel Jah power. With the Baba OG, me rise like the tower. The ganja and me guide, make me meditation deep. The sacred smoke bless me, me soul it keep. Sacred smoke, it a rise to Jah. Blaze the fire, I make the whole world spa. Herb from the mountain, pure and divine. Rastaman, Selassie, I one time. Them a call it the devil plant, but them blind. The herb a Jah gift fi heal mankind. With the northern lights, me lift me mind. The ganja and the treasure where Babylon can't find. Pass the chalice round, make the circle strong. With Jah inna me heart, me can't go wrong. The vibes elevate, me feel it so pure. Herb are the healer of that, me sure. Roll up the spliff, light it inna the night. The smoke it a glow under Jah moonlight. Every Rasta know the herb are the way. It guide with steps every night, every day. Sacred smoke it a rise to Jah. Blaze the fire, I make the whole world spa. Herb from the mountain, pure and divine. Rastaman, Selassie, I heart feels strong. The herb and me guide all day long. One love, one heart, Jah vibes ignites. Blaze the sacred smoke, make the fire burn bright.
Zion vibes eternal, the love can't end. The fire of Ganja, the world we mend. The struggle's heavy, but Jah are we friend. The blessings of Zion we comprehend. The roots run deep like a mighty tree. The love of Jah strong, it set we free. We chant the psalms for the world to see. The vibes of Zion for eternity. From the ghetto lanes to the hills above, we spread Jah wisdom and Jah pure love. The righteous rise like a peaceful dove. We make the world know Jah reigns above. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day. From the darkest night to the morning ray. Rasta chant I, the lion a stay. The vibes of Zion no follow no trend. The mission of love can't twist or bend. We burn Babylon, the judgment descend. We stand with Jah light till the very end. The system a crumble, them can't prevail. The love of Jah strong, it never fail. We set the ship sail with Jah as we trail. Zion vibes are the wind, we fill we sail. The people rejoice when we chant Jah name. The fire burn bright, the world can't tame. We rise for the truth, no bow to shame. Zion vibes eternal, we proclaim. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day. From the darkest night to the morning ray. Rasta chant I, the lion a stay. Zion vibes eternal, the love can't end. The fire of Jah, the world we mend. The struggle's heavy, but Jah are we friend. The blessings of Zion we comprehend. The roots run deep like a mighty tree. The love of Jah strong, it set we free. We chant the psalms for the world to see. The vibes of Zion for eternity. From the ghetto lanes to the hills above, we spread Jah wisdom and Jah pure love. The righteous rise like a peaceful dove. We make the world know Jah reigns above. Zion vibes eternal, it can't decay. Jah light a guide me every day. Zion roads, district Canani roads. Me roots and culture me never forget. Me stand for the truth, me place me bet. The struggles me face, me rise from the past. Me know me purpose, me know me steadfast. Me walk in a rhythm, me walk in a time. Me know me roots, me know the climb. Me feel the power of me ancestry. Me carry the torch, me set the legacy. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz like me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing the song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Me know me ancestors fought for the land. Me stand tall, me take a stand. Me walk with the elders, me walk with pride. Me know me
culture I never hide. Me roots run deep, me heart full of truth. Me trust in Jah, me trust the youth. Me carry the message, me carry the sound. Me walk in the light, me stand on the ground. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz light, me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing this song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Me know me roots, me know me soul. Me feel the power, me feel the goal. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me trust in Jah's love, me know the whispers. Me roots run deep, me carry the flame. Me sing for the people, me sing for the name. Me know me purpose, me know me place. Me walk in Jah's light, me feel the grace. Roots and culture, me feel the rise. Me walk in a jazz light, me see the skies. Roots and culture, me sing this song. Me carry the message, me walk strong. Roots and culture, me embrace the way. Me trust in Jah, me trust the play. Culture, me life's embrace. Me trust in Jah, me know me grace. Roots and culture, me life's embrace. Me trust in Jah.